If you want to know how to fix Snapchat not working on Wi-Fi, you've come to the right place. As you can see, I am currently connected only to Wi-Fi, and I can easily use Snapchat. I can chat with my friends, send snaps, and do other things. To fix this problem for yourself, just follow the steps I show in this video. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store. Then, open the search bar and search for Snapchat. Open the official page of the app and make sure you have the latest version. If you see an update or upgrade button, please click it. This could be the first reason why Snapchat isn't working. The next thing you need to do is open your settings and go to storage. Search for Snapchat there, then click on Offload App on iPhone. After offloading, reinstall the app. To get to this area on iPhone, open Settings, go to General, and then tap iPhone Storage. The navigation might be a little different on Android. Finally, scroll down on the main settings page to see all apps. Find Snapchat and make sure the background app refresh feature is turned off. This could be the most important step to fix the problem. After doing all this, you can open Snapchat and it should work properly.